Welcome back to Plant Based with Fun. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about 4 seeds that you want to include on your plant-based journey. So the first seed I want to talk about is hemp seeds or hemp hearts. I love hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are high in amino acids, protein, minerals, vitamins such as zinc, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, iron. 1 ounce of hemp seeds gives you 11 grams of protein. That's a lot of protein in such a little bit of seeds, which is why I love hemp seeds. The next seed I want to talk about are pumpkin seeds or pepitas. Pumpkin seeds are excellent source of minerals and vitamins. They have zinc, they're high in vitamin E, so they have a lot of antioxidant properties. They're great to protect your heart, of course, because they're high in antioxidants. They're high in beneficial fatty acids. All of these seeds are very high in beneficial omega-3s, omega-6s, beneficial fatty acids, which are great for anti-inflammatory properties as well as heart health. Pumpkin seeds are 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds gets you 7 grams of protein, which is great on a plant-based diet. The next seed I want to talk about are chia seeds. Chia seeds are incredibly nutrient dense. Chia seeds have vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. 1 ounce of chia seeds gets you 4 grams of protein. Chia seeds are very versatile as well. You can make chia seed pudding. You can use it as an egg replacement. I've used it as an egg replacement. It's great for baking, great for breakfast. It's great to add to anything. They're easy, and all you need is a little bit to get a huge nutritional value from them. So chia seeds are great. The last seed I want to talk about are flax seeds. Flax seeds have been around for ages, and flax seeds have been used for ages. They're golden flax seeds and they are brown flax seeds. All are equally nutritious. Flax seeds are beneficial in vitamins and minerals, antioxidants, heart health. Also, some studies show that flax seeds have the ability to lower your blood sugar. Flax seeds are high in something called lignans, and lignans are a nutrient that are great to protect the body from certain cancers. They have estrogen properties that protect the body from breast cancer and prostate cancer. Flax seeds are also high in plant-based ALA, which is an omega-3 fatty acid that is excellent as an antioxidant, great for your heart. And it's great that flax seeds provide a plant-based version of ALA. So those are my 4 seeds: chia seed, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, and hemp seeds. Include these seeds on your plant-based journey to see improvement in your health, to see weight loss, to see improvement in your skin, and just to have a nice nutrient-dense journey while you're living a plant-based lifestyle. Also, comment down below and let me know how you like to use seeds in your everyday diet. I love to use them in my breakfast foods, in my smoothies, when I'm baking, in pancakes, oatmeal, you name it. I love using all these various types of seeds in my lifestyle. So you guys comment down below and let me know how you like to use seeds. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments section down below. I will answer all your questions. Also, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification icon so you know when I upload another video. Thanks again for watching. Peace, love, and many blessings. See you next time.